everybody, I'm Monica Mixer. Welcome. This class is so much fun if you're trying to learn how to paint abstracts, but you're not really sure where to start color-wise. This class we're going to talk about analogous colors. They're a lot of fun, they're easy to get to know, and good chance that you have a ton of supplies already that you can create analogous colors with. We are going to talk about how to make a mood board, what colors to use. We're going to create color swatches and palettes, talk a little bit about art journaling, learn about substrates, and also paint an abstract painting using analogous colors. Please join me in the next lesson to get started, and you will have so much fun painting analogous colors and abstracts. Thanks, see you soon, bye.